Please
Start. So, good evening, folks. Again, one more happy moment. एक और खुशी का पल. So, इस बार we have our happy customer who is an assistant vice president in a leading multinational company. Sir, so please introduce yourself. And one thing, he came all the way from Hyderabad to pick up a car from us all the way. Believe abhi is COVID times where he has come. He trusted us over the phone. He trusted our quality. He checked our Google reviews, and then he came all the way. He is now driving. Yesterday evening he came. He booked the car. Today he completed his payment and he's taking away the car. So I don't know what made him so very happy, and what made him trust all of us to buy a car from us. So, sir, please introduce yourself and please narrate your experience.
Sure. Well, my name is Mithun Chatterjee. I reside in Hyderabad, but because of this coronavirus, I've been staying in West Bengal because primarily I'm from West Bengal. So I've been staying here for about 4 months, and we are expecting that we will get back. I will get back to Hyderabad at my work maybe sometime in the month of June or July, in case if the vaccine works well. So at this point of time, it is necessary for all of us to ensure that we are able to secure ourselves as well as our family, because of which everybody needs a car, because people are avoiding the public transport, and same is the case with me. Eventually I thought it's time for me to go and pick a car, because my stay in West Bengal is extended. I trusted Vaishnav Motor because I have subscribed to a lot of channels in YouTube, via which I got to know about Vaishnav Motor. It was in fact my own brother who said he shouldn't be going to anyone else except for Vaishnav Motor, because he did his research from his end. And then finally I was here in Calcutta last night. Did not even go anywhere else apart from Vaishnav Motor. Came down it straight away from the hotel. Booked Nissan Terrano. Amazing. I looked at the quality. I was pretty happy with the kind of quality that was delivered by Mr. Ajay Kejriwal. And here I am. The payment is all done. I'm taking the car and getting back to my village now.
One question, Mr. Chatterjee. Just we were there last evening together at our office for a couple of minutes. Might be 50-60 minutes we were together here. Today you've been sitting here and completing the deal for the past 1 hour or so. So at any point of time, you being such a senior person, at any point of time, did you think that we at any junction try to take the customer for a ride or bluff the customer? कभी आपको ऐसा लगा?
There is only one quotation and a statement that I will make about this company. I think you know how to deal with the customers. That's the best part. And the second part is, since every time you have been talking about quality, that is exactly which made me think about doing business with you. I was pretty impressed there. Third, I did not waste my time. I think I'm the kind of person that I would not like wasting my time. I think he was pretty quick enough in fulfilling my requirement anytime that I wanted. So that's all.
Any case, so these are live reviews. So please subscribe to our channel. Please like our Facebook page. Please find us on Google. We have our own website, vaishnavmotors.com. Please do feel free to call us at our helpline number. That's 900-7378-666. I repeat, 900-7378-666. We are available on our helpline all 7 days a week, but timing is morning 9 a.m. till evening 7 p.m. Please do feel free to contact us if in case you have any queries regarding automobiles. We'll be more than glad to assist you as far as possible. So please stay safe and enjoy Christmas, enjoy New Year. Wishing you all a very, very happy New Year and a Merry Christmas, and to you and your family also, Mr. Chatterjee. So stay healthy, stay safe. Cheers.